The Falcon 1.1 steering stabilizer provides a balanced steering response and maintains smooth movement under rapid turning maneuvers. Remove the factory steering stabilizer by first detaching the bracket on the axle end. On the tie rod end, remove the hardware connecting it to the brackets, but only loosen the hardware on the brackets themselves. Use an adjustable wrench and bend the lower tie rod bracket just a little bit. The Falcon eyelet is a tiny bit thicker than the factory steering stabilizer. This will just ensure that it fits well. Temporarily install the Falcon steering stabilizer. Tighten the bushing nut on the back of the axle bracket until it's nice and snug. To ensure this is torqued to the proper specification, you will have to remove the steering stabilizer. That is, unless you have access to a crowfoot wrench. However, as that's not as common of a tool, we're going to remove the steering stabilizer. Place the steering stabilizer in a vise using rags to protect the finish and torque to 40 foot-pounds. Install the Falcon steering stabilizer again and tighten down all the hardware.